Welcome to Razorpay. Razorpay is the easiest way to accept and process digital payments for businesses in India. In this video, you will learn to integrate the Razorpay payment gateway with your Android app. Before we begin, you must complete a few steps. Visit razorpay.com and sign up for an account. Log into the Razorpay dashboard and generate API keys in test mode. Download and save the API keys in your system. Now, let's integrate the Razorpay payment gateway with your Android app in the test mode. This will create a sandbox environment where you can do a test run of your integration. To do this, you need to complete a few steps. Install Razorpay Android Standard SDK. Initialize Razorpay Android Standard SDK. Integrate with Orders API in server side. Initiate payment and display checkout form. Handle success and error events. We have created a test app called Tea Factory, which helps customers to order green tea. We will be integrating Razorpay payment gateway with this test app. This will help customers to make payments through the app. The Android SDK documentation is available on razorpay.com/docs. You can use the document to continue with the integration. Step 1. Install Razorpay Android Standard SDK. For this video, we will be using the Razorpay Android Standard SDK version 1.5.13. This version of Razorpay Android SDK is compatible with Android version 19 or higher. You can download the latest version of the SDK from the Maven repository. To add the SDK to your app, add the dependency in your app's build.gradle file. Step 2. Initialize Razorpay Android Standard SDK. Add your Razorpay API key ID using checkout setKeyID method. It is recommended to send the API key ID from your server side as app-related metadata fetch. If you are using ProGuard for your builds, modify the ProGuard role file as shown. Step 3. Integrate Orders API. You can generate an order ID for your transactions using the Orders API. Orders help in binding multiple payment attempts against a single order ID and automatically change the status of payments to captured. You can integrate orders in your server side using the Orders API. Step 4. Initiate payment and display checkout form. Create an instance of checkout and pass the payment details and options as a JSON object. You can change the values of the checkout options as per your business requirements. For example, you can add a logo, change the name, description, amount, and more. Checkout.open function launches a checkout form where the customer completes the payment and returns the payment result via appropriate callbacks on the payment result now. Step 5. Handle success and error events. You must define how to handle events when the payment is a success or a failure with appropriate error messages. Add the code to handle success and failure events. In our Android app, we have made provisions for the checkout to open at the click of a button. You can create a button and add the start payment function as shown. Build the app to test whether the button opens the checkout and complete a test transaction. This completes the integration of the payment gateway with your Android app. In case of any queries, please contact the Razorpay support team. Thank you for watching this video.